Hello everyone, today you will be installing Oracle Database 11G specific version. Before you move on, if you are totally new into database, you should not prefer using that old software, nearly 15 years old software, because it's totally outdated. So and the alternative, okay, let's ignore this and social credit tax, okay, leave this. This is what you need. This is my SQL which has been used today. So but yeah, everyone has the teacher, like very old school teacher, who you say to use old softwares.
Bruh.
Like they make them compulsory to use it. So to tackle that, by the way, I'll be including into link in the description right here. Alright, first you have to check, make sure you uninstall Oracle. This one, you have to uninstall this up. If it is not available, then do not worry, you don't have to uninstall it. It may take some time to uninstall it.
A few minutes later.
Okay, I have uninstalled this. Now another thing to do is go to C drive and make sure you don't get this folder. If you got this folder, delete it. Shift delete, enter. Not like this, shift delete, enter. Yep. Now what you have to do is you have to head to this link and download the file, install a file, by pressing this button and pressing download button. Alright, and it will be found after downloading. This is the file you will get. You may right click to extract it. Right click and press this button to extract it. I have already extracted that too, to save your time. You have to open this up, setup.exe. This may take some time.
2 hours later.
Okay, installer have been started. You can close this up, no more needed. Press next. I accept this, next. Install this. Now you will be proceeded to this till here without any errors, because you have uninstalled and totally deleted it. I have set the password as simple as 0, single digit 0. You can set anything else if you don't have privacy over your computer, RIP. But I will set the password for system user as 0. And system user is the main user, which it is like administrator. It can control each and everything, like list of other users, list of database, and etc. Okay, this installation will take some time. Let it happen.
1 eternity later.
Okay, now it has finished the installation after eternity later. So let's finish this up and check the path. Type path in search, open environment variables, double click on path. You will find this thing. For example, if you don't find this, then simply copy this thing and paste. Add this to path if it did not exist. Copy and paste here. Alright. Now this will solve the SQL plus issue. Okay, somehow this is small glitch you will face. Maybe restart will help. So now open terminal. It's installed properly. Now you have to open. You may run SQL Command Line too, but I suggest you to open from terminal. I press right click on Windows terminal. And if you are using Windows 10, you can use PowerShell too, but I recommend you to use Windows terminal because it's good. Again, link in the description, or you will get in Microsoft, no problem. Yeah, let's see SQL plus, it's working, and the user and system password is single is 0 as I kept before. Now we have to create user of yourself. User Aditya, password, let's set password to. I kept password as 0, you can keep anything else. And let's give permission to Aditya. Permissions, privileges, whatever you call, but command is privilege. Yes, no, this both are complete. You know, you can simply connect to Aditya. Not connect to Aditya, connect Aditya. Okay, this is now this source SQL is working fine. How to add here? Go to settings, press new profile, copy this command prompt thing, and simply press, like in command line you have to paste this thing as from the description. I have mentioned this in description, you have to paste the thing. Alright, this is how you add. And this background, the images and all that, that's based on user's choice. You can customize how you want. Alright, so open this SQL 11G. It will directly open into terminal. Yes, now let's connect Aditya here again. Create table, potato. Let's create a table. And by the way, it is not case sensitive, but it's the same if you use small letters for normal this. Do not use small letters as I am doing. Test. Waka2 is a just variable name in old SQL thing. Close it. Semicolon is important. Many things won't work without semicolon. Let's insert into potato. Insert into potato. Values. Let's take input from, okay, taste, it will be potato e, whatever. Protein, let's take this as input by adding ampersand protein, like that. And vitamins, let's add this as input too. Value for protein 10 kg, just casual. Vitamin XD vitamin. Okay, let's see what's inside the potato. Select stuff from potato. This is the simple table we have created. By the way, if you want to see list of users, select stuff from all_users. Type this and you'll find list of user, and my user is present right here. My system user is present right here. Alright, and ignore all other things. Now this is SQL 11G in the nutshell. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, say, subscribe. गरीबों का मदद करो प्लीज. थैंक यू. बाय बाय. Bye. Are you still watching? Okay.
天地一片苍茫。
你好，微博，现在我拍电影，但是我给手机吃饭，我不可以用我的手机，我们拍的时候，所以我现在拍这个因为他们给我老钢板，我不知道关于老钢板，但是中国人。
Okay, you have stayed long enough. Enjoy the social hacks, social credits. You got free social credits. Bye.